Wahguru, Wahguru, Wahguru,
Wahguru, Wahguru, Wahguru, Wahguru, Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh Ji. One thing which is very important when we are morning to evening busy in our work, busy in the household work, or anything what we do, don't take your swas for granted. Don't take this breath for granted. We all sometimes think that we are going to live long forever. But Maharaj keeps on reminding us that you should take care of your swas. You should manage your swas. You should manage your lekha. What is lekha? Lekha is an account. Although we keep on doing an ardas, lekhe kate na chutiye, khin khin pulanhar. That Vaheguru, please don't look into my account, my karams, the good and bad karams, the good and bad actions which I do, because all the time I am doing the bad actions. So that's also ardas, a prayer in front of Vaheguru. And I'm surrendering you. Please don't look into my actions. I know if you will look into my actions, I will never succeed. But Maharaj keeps on reminding us that what are you doing with your breath? Are you using this breath for nindya chugli, for gossiping and slandering, for hate? ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਸਵਾਸਾਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਕੀ ਕਰਦੇ ਪਏ ਹੋ? ਮਹਾਰਾਜ ਅੱਗੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਅਰਦਾਸ ਵੀ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਸਾਡੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਸਵਾਸਾਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਲੇਖਾ ਲਿਖਿਆ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਤੇ ਉਹ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮਹਾਰਾਜ ਕਿਰਪਾ ਕਰਕੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਲੇਖੇ ਨੂੰ ਫਾੜ ਦਿਓ। ਵੇਖੋ ਨਾ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਅਗਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਲੇਖਾ ਮੇਰਾ ਵੇਖਣਾ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਕਰਤਾ ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਕਦੀ ਬਚ ਨਹੀਂ ਸਕਦਾ। I cannot be saved because I do so many bad karms. That's the ardas which we have to do. Humble, accept your mistakes in front of Vaheguruji. Because Vaheguruji can see everything. Vaheguruji is seeing everybody, every of our action. That's why Guru Nanak Dev Ji here says, Hum admi ha ikdami, molat moot na jana ram, na jana. What does this mean? That I don't know when is my last swas, when is my last breath. You know, if we all remember or if we all consider that this next swas which we take, the next breath which we are going to take is going to be the last breath, what we will do? We will try to fall in love with Vaheguru. We'll remember Vaheguru all the time. ਅਸੀਂ ਕੋਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਕਿ ਜਦੋਂ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗ ਗਿਆ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਸਾਡਾ ਅਖੀਰਲਾ ਸਵਾਸ ਹੈ, ਆਪਾਂ ਕੋਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਕਿ ਆਪਾਂ ਸਾਰਾ ਟਾਈਮ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਨੂੰ ਯਾਦ ਕਰੀਏ। But we have forgotten. We think as if we are going to live for hundreds of years. ਦਮ ਦਮ ਸਦਾ ਸੰਭਾਲਦਾ, ਦਮ ਨਾ ਬਿਰਥਾ ਜਾਏ। Maharaj says, don't waste your breath. ਆਪਣੇ ਦਮ ਨੂੰ ਵੇਸਟ ਨਾ ਕਰ। ਤੇਰਾ ਸਿਸਟਮ ਹੀ ਏਦਾਂ ਦਾ ਬਣ ਜਾਏ, your system should be like such that whenever you are, the automatic breathing is happening, in that breathing you are always remembering Vaheguru. The only thought you are taking is Vaheguru's thought, none other thought. If we will do this practice every day from the morning till evening, when we will sit back for going into the sun, for going into the zero state, nirvichar avastha, then it will not take much time. ਅਗਰ ਅਸੀਂ ਸਾਰਾ ਦਿਨ ਹੀ ਨਾਮ ਜਪਾਂਗੇ, ਰੱਬ ਨੂੰ ਯਾਦ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ, ਬਹੁਤ ਘੱਟ ਟਾਈਮ ਲੱਗੇਗਾ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਸੁਣ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, ਨਿਰਵਿਚਾਰ ਅਵਸਥਾ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪਹੁੰਚਣ ਵਿੱਚ, ਸਮਾਧੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ। ਸਤਿਗੁਰ ਤੇ ਪਾਏ ਵਿਚਾਰਾ, ਸੁਨ ਸਮਾਧ ਸੱਚਾ ਕਰ ਵਾਰਾ। Our real home is sun samadh, that zero state, that state, thoughtless state. But that can only happen with every breath if we are remembering Vaheguru Ji. That's what Guru Nanak Dev Ji is saying. Nanak, see, there is a onkard out here. Whenever there is a onkard, that means Guru Nanak Dev Ji is talking about himself. If there is no onkard, then it is just a stamp. Then he's giving us a message. He's talking about himself. Maharaj says, Guru Nanak Dev Ji is saying, I will Nanak binve tise sarevo jake ji prana. Praise the Nanak, serve the one to whom our soul and breath of life belong. Who is that? That's Vaheguru. Everything belongs to Vaheguru. We have nothing. The only thing which we have, which we are carrying, is our ego. We are carrying our ego from here and there every day. Everything which we do, it is like I. And that is the something which we need to remove. That filth we have to overcome. And that filth, that dirt will only go away when we will go in soon. First, we have to remember Vaheguru all the time. And then we have to go into the sun. Then the cleansing start happens. And it takes time. You know, some people are, they want to happen things like this. It took you how many years? At least 14, 15, 16 years to become whatever you are, doctor, engineer, lawyer, or finance, or whatsoever you're doing in your life. Anything you want to learn, even if you want to learn new instrument, it takes time. First you learn, then you start practicing it to master it. It takes time, Vaheguru. If we have accumulated this dirt, this filth on our mind from ages, from so many thousands and thousands of years in Sat Yug, in Treta Yug, in Dwapar, in Kal Yug, we have been accumulating. ਆਪਾਂ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਗੰਦ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਇਕੱਠਾ ਕਰੀ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਮਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਯੁਗਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਤੇ ਇੱਕੋ ਦਮ ਕਿਦਾਂ ਖਤਮ ਹੋ ਜਾਏਗਾ? If just take an example of a room full of dirt, when you will start cleaning that room, you know, it will take time. You can't just say within few like just by spending maybe 1 hour or so it will be clean. It can take time. And then there will be dirt which will be stuck on the walls of the room. Then you have to clean that. Sometimes you have to clean that, or sometimes you have to paint over that. It takes time. ਜਿਹੜੀ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਜਮਾ ਹੋਈ ਹੈ ਚਮੜੀ ਹੋਈ ਮੈਲ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਮਨ ਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ, ਉਹਨੂੰ ਤੁਸੀਂ 1 ਮਿੰਟ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਸਾਫ਼ ਕਰ ਦੋਗੇ ਜਾਂ ਘੰਟਾ ਲਾ ਕੇ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਸਾਫ਼ ਕਰ ਲੋਗੇ? ਕਈ ਵਾਰੀ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਚੰਗੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਸਾਫ਼ ਕਰਕੇ ਪੇਂਟ ਵੀ ਕਰਨਾ ਪਊ. You have to clean it so rigorously. That's why we have to remember whenever we are working in our mind, Vaheguru, Vaheguru, or whenever you get a time in the breaks in between. Some people say that they use brain so they can't think of doing that. That's why if you are swas simran, I think the next line says that. Yeah, ande jeevna vichar dekh kete ke dina. Maharaj saying you are blind. See and consider how many days your life shall last. You don't know how many days your life is going to last, and you think that you're going to live forever. That's what Maharaj is saying. Saas maas sab jiyo tumhara, tu main khara pyara. Maharaj is saying this swas I'm taking, this mass as in this physical body. Jio is again Jivatma is our mind, is everything tumhara. Tumhara is yours. Tu main khara pyara. You are very dear to me. Nanak Shair. Guru Nanak Dev Ji is calling himself a Shair, a poet here. Nanak Shair ev kahat hai sache parvadgara. Maharaj is saying that cherish, he's a cherisher. The Vaheguru is a cherisher. So dam dam sada sambhalda, saas saas simro gobind. Dam dam sada sambhalda, dam na birtha jaye. That with every breath, remember Vaheguru. Saas saas simro gobind man antar ki utre chind. Remember Vaheguru with every swas, and then your anxiety and worries will go away. Remember that. And we have to do that. And when we will do the practice of the Swas Simran, we practice every day for 5-6 minutes, 10 minutes from the natural breathing, which is coming from our nose, going in, coming out. When it goes in the mind, we say Wah. When it comes out, we say Guru. When we'll get into an habit, then whenever we are working, our dhyan will be here, just here. And even while working, we'll be doing Vaheguru, remember Vaheguru. Once it becomes part of your system, then it becomes easy. But we have to do ardas continuously, prayer in front of Vaheguru, that bless me with this thing, because we can't do anything on our own. We have to pray. ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆਪਣਾ ਨੱਕ ਰਗੜਨਾ ਪੈਂਦਾ ਗੁਰੂ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਅੱਗੇ all the time. You have to pray, right? All the time. All the time. ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਜੀ? Now, let's start Simran session. And again, first we do Swaskara Simran, then we do Swas Simran, Antargat Simran, and then we try to sit in Sun. And in this whole progress, if you feel sleepy, don't stop yourself. Relax, especially when you're doing Antargat Simran. The idea is when you're doing Antargat Simran, you should be able to go into the Sun. So don't worry about it. If you are getting into the Sun, you're getting into sleepy mode. But if you are sleeping and getting dreams, then that is not Sun. Remember that. ਅਗਰ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸੁਪਨੇ ਆਉਣ ਡਏ ਨੇ ਇੱਧਰ ਉੱਧਰ ਦੀਆਂ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਦੇ, ਮਾਇਆ ਦੇ ਸੁਪਨੇ ਆਉਣ ਡਏ ਨੇ, ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸੁੱਤੇ ਹੋ ਤਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸੋਚਦੇ ਹੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸੁਣ 'ਚ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸੁਣ 'ਚ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋ। ਇਹਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਹੈ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਤੋਂ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਸਵਾਸ ਗ੍ਰਾਸ ਸਿਮਰਨ ਕਰਨਾ ਪੈਣਾ। So sometimes body is tired and you're sleeping and you are seeing the dreams. So make sure you differentiate between these two. Okay, but I cannot differentiate for you. You have to differentiate for yourself, whether it is asleep or you are in zone. So the difference is very simple. If you are getting us dreams about your daily life or daily things, then that is not a sun. That is a sleep. But if you have become thoughtless, no dreams are coming, and when you get up you feel full of energy, that is a sun. Okay, sometimes again I think I don't know who, one of you guys have asked me, okay, and my neck pains and all when you come out of the sun, that will happen. That's why I say relax your body, sit in a comfortable position, always sit in a comfortable position, relax your body. Some people wear that, what do you call that, when you travel, the travel pillow. Sometimes they put that also, because then that will save your neck. Otherwise you will enjoy when you go to the sun, but when you come out your neck will be paining, because your neck will do this or something. And that's why you can, someone of you guys was telling me that they have bought a recliner. Yeah, that's a very good thing. Then you can put a recliner and your back can rest, right? Again, I'm not telling you that to do the meditation you have to have these things. No, nothing is required, only love is required. Chalo ji, ਆਪਾਂ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ. We have to say Vah and our tummy in, so that our Swas Giras Simran can happen. Vah, tummy in, Guru, tummy out. Vah, Guru, Vah, Guru, Vah, Guru. And when we close our eyes, our eyelids, look here in the front of your nose, put your dhyan there and start doing Vah, Guru, Vah, Guru. Okay, Aoji, let's start. Vah, Guru, 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 Vah,